Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your mobile plan allows hotspot use and that you know the remaining GB. Next, update the phone and charge it so interruptions don't happen. Then open Settings and enable the Wi-Fi hotspot feature. Set a unique SSID, choose WPA2 or WPA3 security, and enter a strong password. Once done, make sure hotspot visibility is set as you want, visible for quick pairing or hidden for fewer connection attempts. Now configure the hotspot for performance and security. Choose the AP band, use 2. 4 GHz for broader range, 5 GHz for faster local speed, and limit the number of clients if your phone supports it. Next, decide DHCP versus static IP. Typically leave DHCP on, but note gateway and subnet if you set static addresses. Finally, enable Data Saver, client isolation, and an automatic timeout so unused hotspots shut off. This saves battery and prevents unauthorized use. To finish, connect your laptop or tablet. Pick the SSID, enter the password, and confirm the client received an IP address. Then load a lightweight web page to verify internet. If there's no internet...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.